This Berkshire Hathaway HomeServices Florida Realty property video is presented by Laura C. Narot. Fabulous executive 4 bedrooms / 2.5 baths pool home on water offers a spacious open floor plan in Pine Ridge. An entertainer's delight with a remodeled gourmet kitchen, granite, wood cabinets, stainless steel appliances and cooking island. And number 13, stacked bedrooms. Master bedroom has a full-size walk-in closet. All bathrooms have been remodeled. Totally fenced yard. Accordion shutters throughout. Tankless water heater. Multiple skylights for lots of light. Inside utility room. A screened private pool area overlooking water with outdoor shower. Circular driveway, beautiful landscaping and great cub appeal. Lots of parks nearby. South Florida living at its best. For more information, review the details below or contact Laura C. Narot at 954-369-0384.